Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing remote tasks with mturk and microworkers. We'll be comparing all these three in the same video. So let's get right into it. So, starting with microworkers. Microworkers is the easiest to start. There's no long assessments, just sign up and pick your tasks, as you can see on the page. It is basically just a simple layout, though the task quality varies. It offers lots of small tasks but low long-term potential. If we talk about pricing and monetization, it pays cents per task, around $2 to $5 per hour, which is quite less if you'll ask me, because as most of the workers find it that way. Now moving to remote tasks. Remote tasks requires training modules, especially for higher paying AI. It's a learning curve, but manageable. It's pretty manageable. It has a clean interface as you can see, which has task previews and dark mode. Definitely the modern and user-friendly in 2025. It specializes in AI labeling or LIDAR, and you can level up to team leads and reviews. Now, if you talk about pricing and monetization, it offers the best rates, somewhere around $10 to $20 per hour, with experience, especially on complex AI projects. Now, lastly, we'll talk about Amazon Mechanical Turk. So, Amazon Mechanical Turk is a little trickier. You need approval, and new workers may struggle to get decent tasks early on. It has a it just feels more outdated if you ask me, but it's functional. Now it has consistent gigs if you're in US, but international users gets fewer options. Now if you talk about pricing and monetizations, it can go up to $6 to $10 per hour if you get approved for higher paying gigs. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between remote tasks and Amazon Mechanical Turk and microworkers. Thank you so much for watching.